Welcome to Vridhivesh Finance, and we are presenting one of the SME IPO, that is Vridhivesh Finance presenting Omni Potent Industry Limited SME IPO 2021. Dear investor, this company is basically engaged into the business supplying bulk and packed bitumen as well as other bituminous product. They are source the products either through direct import or buy from the third party importers and sell to the various distributor as well as the corporates. They are buy bulk and drums of bitumen. They are certified in ISO 9001 and to 2015 ISO 14001 and 2014 15 certified is imported trading process and petroleum chemical products. Their products including bitumen 60, 70 and 80 oblique 100 bitumen VG10 VG30 VG40 bitumen emulsion blown bitumen micro surfacing bitumen and modifying bitumen CRMB, PMB, NRMB. Bitumen is mostly commonly used in construction, road and highway. Bitumen is excellent waterproofing properties and widely used making a roofing product along with the range other household and industry application from emulsion paint to soundproofing. Bitumen is also extensively used surfacing of the road and pavement and is also used as adhesive substance in the productions of binder. Entire marketing of our product is managed through the team of sales and marketing personnel. They are also engaged in consultancy of setting plants for bituminous products. The consultancy including end-to-end solution from identification of land, plant, machinery and imparting training and making policy with the staff on marketing and quality testing. They also set up bitumen decanter plant for melting bitumen purchase in drums. Road contracts prefer melted bitumen. It's all availability and logistic issue with the bitumen. Earlier the plot was located in Panvel. It's a plot actually, and we have given the third party contractual basis operating and managing a plant. However, we are process of shifting plant to Gandhidham, Kutch, Gujarat. This plant is also managed by third party operator. This help us focusing on core strength of procurement and marketing. Rainy season from the June to September, they counted off season for bitumen supply in India, as all road and highways construction are stopped during the period because it's a monsoon period and hence the demand for bitumen goes down. We plan for the same according to the month-wise and state-wise rainfall scenario to push the sales, particularly state as per the timing of rainfall. They also entering into trading of plastic polymers since July 2021. They are also basically into the business association with various important manufacturer, transporter and warehousing and bulk storage entities. This gives us a cost advantage due to the bulk purchase as well as the sharing logistic cost. The collaboration also helps us to ensure supply material in case of urgent order from our customers. Our import and supply locations: bitumen imported in Gujarat Mundra Port, Gujarat Pipavav Port, Maharashtra Mumbai, Karnataka Karwar, Karnataka Mangalore, where they bulk PSU bulk bitumen from the Gujarat and Vadodara, Maharashtra in Mumbai, Karnataka in Mangalore, Tamil Nadu in Chennai and Telangana in Visakhapatnam. Their products are imported 60/70 and 80/10 PSU in India is a VG10, VG30, VG40. Emulsion as per IS 8887 1995. Emulsion as per IS 8887 2004. Emulsion as per ASTM D244. Blown bitumen IS 7021 -988 and IS 1203 1978, all grades. So this is drum bitumens imported at Gujarat Mundra Port, Maharashtra Mumbai, Karnataka Mangalore and Tamil Nadu. Our bitumen products is into the Karnataka Mangalore, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Nagpur, Gujarat, Baroda. Micro surfacing emulsion, all grades and modifying bitumen CRMBM, PMB and NRMB. So they have the footprints. Since 2016 incorporated this company. 2016 Infinite started the business with bitumen trading. 2021 reached to the milestone of 100 crores turnover, and 2021 the business of plastic polymer trading started. So this is all about the summarization of this company. And yes, we can say that, okay, we are coming back with Omnipotent Industry Limited company detail. This company has started 15 September 2016. Omnipotent Industry Private Limited is the name of an initial name, and they have changed from Private Limited to the Limited in the year of 21st August 2021. So they are based in Dhamji Neshjiwadi Station Road, Bhandup West, Mumbai 400078, Maharashtra. And for further information, log on omnipotent.co.in. So dear investors, basically this company is into the, see, their application is into the road, highway constructions. So it will be a good company, we can say, for the investment. And yes, if you can't buy it for 2000 shares at 63 rupees, because this is a SME IPO, so it may cost you around 1 lakh rupees of investment. Okay, so that's the reason we are telling you. In case you are unable to invest it, then you can invest it after the listing. Okay, so you just take first of all, you just rethink about your company, not this, about the investment terms and all, and then you can find out what exactly this company is doing from your end. Not just don't depends on us only. Okay, so here is bitumen product is majorly into base or bitumen Omnipotent products is basically into bitumen, base oil, polymer and PVC. They are consulting plant design, whatever we have told you at the initial. The total they are claiming that 16 years with the key specialization bitumen related product, import and trading the product. The experience spread across manufacturing and set up a separation plants, operation and trading activities. Okay, so what we are going to tell you about this company, see, any importer come to the market, no, so that moment they are having a great amount of backup plan, because if you import anything into the market, tell me, if you import any product, where you will sell out? So you need a perfect background where you should sell out these products. Okay, then only you can find out. Anyways, we are going to talk about this companies. Their contractors are 2758, importers 360, and traders 994, decanter is 50, MFG is 84, transporter is 206. This is their basically network. Do you understand? This is a really large network, what you can sell your product very easily if you are having a good amount of network or a platform to sell out. Okay, so what we are going to say, this company can give good return in the future. We are not say as of now. After listing we will come back to you with the targets and all. So this is only we can say as of now. Yeah, we will release something after some time. Till the time you can have only IPO details. Okay, because if we are elaborating everything as of now, then we can say, see, this company has supported, Mr. Shah is ably supported by Mr. Puneet Popat as a passion successful entrepreneur. He is a director of the Omnipotent Industry, a biotechnology engineer from VVP Engineering College. Puneet has associated with the district successful ventures in the areas of bioservice engineering, education and petrochemical services. Puneet has found the members and executive director with this fast-paced successful entrepreneurship in career. Puneet has joined Mr. Prince Shah and Omnipotent in 2017. Since then, never look back and together scale up many milestones. So he has joined recently 2017. Okay, and was reached, but he has shown as Mr. Puneet has shown as a director of this company within 3 years even. Anyways, not even. So we are going to not talk about their management as of now. Yes, we are telling something about competitive advantages guide by visionary entrepreneur having 19 years of experience in bitumen industry. Total market intelligence track system is day-to-day decisions basis statistic. Existing joint venture with the importer, manufacturer, transporter, warehousing and bulk storage. Ready to import and sell strategic plans plus logistic expertise. Ethical business practices and transparent dealing. Excellent client service, competitive and at lowest price. So UPS 100% customer oriented organization, 20 years successful business in bitumen industries, more than 2 branches, over 11 JVs pan India. It traded 1.2 lakhs metric ton empty in the business of 2020 to 2021. Unique and number one in bitumen industry, the company is able to sell bitumen and bituminous product at market realistic lowest price at 100 quality materials in India. The company has track record in selling largest volume of pan India level. The management of company is part of management company, consumes 70% of total import taking place in India. Diversify experience workforce incorporated hierarchy with 25 sales team, the first kind of bitumen industry, key player of the market pricing decision, multi-operations model and consultant Indian, whose project site identification and handover plant with the certification. Network across 17 states, the first bitumen industry one-to-one and personal connect. Amongst 15 top India's importer, Mr. Prince Shah is founder of Bitumen India Forum and establishes a strong brand market span over 4 years with year-on-year growth of 200. So this is all about, we can summarize over here what Mr. Prince Shah is doing and how he is managing these bitumen products in India. Omnipotent Industry Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date 16 November 2021. IPO closing date November 22nd, 2021. Issue type is a fixed price issue. This is FPO. Face value is 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 63 per equity share. Market lot will be 2000 share. Minimum order quantity 2000 share. Listing at Bombay Stock Exchange and SME, where the basis of allotment date will be on 25th November 2021. Initiation of refund will happen on 26th November 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will be on 29th November 2021, where the IPO listing date is 30 November 2021. So this is just a SME IPO. That's the reason we can't give any subscription prediction or anything. Thank you by Vridhi Finance. Have a great day.